Here are some observations around California and western Nevada. It was sunny, with a temperature This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and EAS signal. These signals are used to activate specially designed receivers when warnings or select watches are issued for potentially dangerous situations. This routine monthly test is being conducted to test the tsunami warning system in conjunction with Tsunami Preparedness Week. No warning is in effect at this time. This is only a test. Again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and EAS signal. We now return to the regular broadcast cycle. These are the 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for the San Francisco